Upgrade your ride with the Type S Position LED grill lights, designed for style, visibility, and versatility. Welcome to the Type S Garage. I'm Isaac, and today we're going to take a look at our Type S Position LED grill lights. These lights are dual colored, meaning you can wire them for either amber or white. Amber is great for enhancing your vehicle's visibility in fog, snow, or other inclement weather. White is great for those looking to add sleek, modern style to their truck. We give you two options to install. You can either screw directly onto the grill or use the included premium 3M VHB adhesive. No complicated wiring, just a secure fit. Connect your grill lights directly to your vehicle's 12-volt battery for power to ensure consistent performance wherever you go. Designed to withstand the elements, these weather-resistant grill lights keep you visible in any condition. Upgrade your grill, enhance your visibility. Type S Position LED grill lights, where style meets function.